Hey yazi wema South Africa mahle angibengelele unazena bahle ngenye indlela ke namhlanje hoyibo kwenze njani ngani madoda cha na indaba phela la engididayo ngihleli nomfana wami la usmall boy ngisakasondele phela azobona la yanibingelele nawe uyasaba uthi uyasaba hayibo nango mfana uma kanjani stage uperform not kulungileke lamhlanje esize ngayo babuzile ukuthi ubani trick babuzile ukuthi yini trick bafuna ukwazi njengoba befuna ukwazi ngithi kangibanikeze lento abafuna ukuyazi by the way ngithi anginazisa ukuthi khona maduzane ngizoba noKatalia nje khona la uzongijoyina sibe naye so ke hadlulele phambili bathe bafuna ukwazi ubani trick awuzwela naye awuthi sibona nawe kehle gombo udonsa kanjani aha awuzwayo who is trick
yabona abangayazi trick esibhodla mlilo bazosazi namhlanje this is who I am. Matelo ungayisuse nyakanya sumbe injoma edoke mnyakanya 45 blocks ukavia kaya leyisa lokohlomo beka awuhlehisa mambu sensizwa ekuyangena shasi inkosi abo captain uye east awujoke umkhumbu bheke west ayihene ngongumbuzi kade babezama ubekhojuzi uphethe style sama-beans LDS upe usheriff no-captain bakendo lomkhofu masubhekile baphame sebhala jika umhlaba ube mnyama bese sinyamalala into awuyemesibhodla mlilo itrick umlilo weqhubula inkosi njengosunu captain wezinkabi ngiqoka umqhele wama-legends ngunjandini onguchwepheshe ongablome emakhoneni ngudle emaqeleni manje ngihleli nemkhofu ngibhalele emdedeni ngiqeda la engumele intelezi ngencinde ngikwifa break it different a pasta or a monster saver or a creature a dancer or a rapper driver or a shooter fly by the wings or a helicopter okay answers are as follows break it is a monster a creature a rapper a shooter who fly by the wings about me nah you don't know I had a gun from the barber shop look at me I'm on a tree I climb by the shoes tell me who is going to die today you gonna choose stepper or a shooter sheriff captain they are the best most of the rappers they are soft stupid fly well always goofed tricky and strong intelligent furious dope always hungry for success Besuni na unangazi ini na nyau pipi heavyweight bagugulisa iduli 40% bagungotshwala bashaye noma besa ngamawala buka lo shy flow samfa kumqala dala sibala ishaye ingoma unuka ama-ex manje kutwala ama-check ifiki order what's this pinky namakeke yaphuma ke lento ebengiyifuna hayi kadela imnyama hayi bhodwa ngibambele kahle lapho koshuni hayi vale mntaka baba
ma South Africa mahle awuzwake angibonge selokhu niningikhombisile ukungeseka ningikhombisa isupport until ngiyiqalile lento njengoba namanje ngisaqhubeka nayo isizathu esikhulu esidala ukuthi ngiqhubeke nayo ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi niyangeseka so ke ngithi angibonge kakhulu ngiyini mina Nkosi yami awu nibakhulu nina ngibonga kakhulu mina umuntu ubizele kulento guys nibakhulu nina ngiyabonga mina hayi angibonge kakhulu ma South Africa senolala kahle masenilala iDrake esayobhala khona enye ingoma ezophuma very very soon ngizonazisa kodwa ngayo. By the way, sine track entsha ebizwa ngokuthi sophumelela, sizoshutha music video wayo very soon ukuze nizobona ukuthi kuqhubeka kanjani and stuff, but we got more coming. We got many artists coming. uKatalia nisazombona because nisamuzwe ngevoice sokwamanje, but uKatalia nizombona uKatalia small boy naye nizogcina nimbonile noma kwamanje sasabe camera, but ngiyathemba ukuthi lokho ukuhamba kwesikhathi uzokunayo uzokwazi ukuthi akulungise. Well, iDrink ibonga kakhulu ngethuba. Khumbula it's Tricky aka Ziggy from Dark Cloud Studios. Ngibonga ithuba.